Lindsay again with Skilled Hands TV. You know, sometimes the things we take for granted aren't so common. Let me tell you a story about a young man I had working with me. He was 20 years old and he didn't know how to read a tape measure. That's not his fault, that's ours. We were measuring a wall and I handed him the tape measure and he froze. He looked down at the lines on the tape measure and then he looked at me, and it was at that point I realized no one had ever taught this young man how to measure. Not at home, not at school. So I taught him just the basics: 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, 1 inch, and we measured that wall together. Then I could actually see when he got it, when it started making sense to him, and you should have seen the pride on his face. We didn't just fix that wall, we fixed him. Today, I'll break down how to read a tape measure in a way that anyone can follow. The big numbers are inches. Between each inch, you'll see lines of different lengths. Those represent halves, quarters, eighths, and sixteenths. The longer line after 1 inch is 1/2 inch. The shorter lines mark 1/4. The even shorter ones mark 1/8, and even shorter marks 1/16. 5/8, 3/4, 7/8, and 1 inch. You can think of this as a dollar bill. 50 cents is going to be 1/2. 75 cents is going to be 3/4. 25 cents is going to be 1/4. It looks complicated, but once you understand it, measuring gets easy. You know, a lot of people get stuck at this simple skill, and that's exactly why Skilled Hands exist, to pass on the skills that would otherwise be lost. If this story speaks to you, hit subscribe and share it. Help us reach the next young man that's waiting on someone to help him.